Alright, welcome back to the order of adjectives. So we have 10 minutes started. So I hope we can able to ace this quiz, no? This is 20 items lang pala. 20 items. So prepare your ball pen and paper. So this is going to be a long bumpy ride. Okay, let's just start. 10 minutes lang ha. I think you have to follow the pace. My pace. My pace, okay. If nabibilisan ko or na babagalan, you can just adjust the speed. Nasa YouTube setting yan. Okay, order of adjectives. Okay, correct sentence. Number one, she bought a... So, ang gagawin natin dito, magsulat tayo sa papel natin ng dosas comp. No? Para mas madali, no? Tapos, take note sa mga difference ng parehong letter. Okay, she bought a... Mahirap to. French material. Ayun. I think para mas madali, you have to identify the last adjective na mas malapit sa noun. Yan. Number two, yan. Stayed in a... Okay, thigh. So, last yung thigh, which is origin. Color, walang color. Origin, thigh. Bali na yung A. Okay. Medyo nahirapan ako sa number 2. But I hope this, no. Okay, number 3. He drives a... Okay, ito. Fast is... I think German ang last nito. German. So, German, color, red, shape. Ano yung fast? Sa shape ba yan? I don't know. Or baka sa opinion. New. Saan na belong yung new? Oh my god, I don't know. He drives a new fast red German? I don't know. But I'm pretty sure ang kasunod ng origin is color, no? So, wala namang ibang kasunod na color dyan, which is letter secret. Number 4 na ako. Sorry guys, if napakahina ako dito, they adopted, you have to be really careful. Puppy. Brown is color. Color. So, definitely nasa A or C yung, no? Last yung color eh. Sunod sa color, shape. Walang shape. Age, walang age. Size, meron. Small. So, brown, small, adorable, small. C. Number 5, she bought... Okay, let's just disregard this timer, no? Okay, bahala ka na dyan, matapos ka dyan. But I will finish this thoroughly. then diligently. Number five, she bought okay, Italian. Pero may leather, which is a material. So, I'm pretty sure leather ang last. Leather, material, Italian origin, color, black, stylish is an opinion. By the way, guys, I am blabbering here. So if you don't want to hear me blabbering, you just please kindly you can kindly decrease the sound of it. I can help myself. I just have to understand each statement. So okay, number six na proceed. The museum displayed a painting. Anong klaseng painting? Material, may material ba? Wala. Origin, walang origin. Color, walang color. Shape, merong shape. Abstract. Diba? Abstract. Abstract. Modern. Age, that is age. So, nandyan lang sa A or B. Size, huge, ayun. Napakadali lang pala. Pero kailangan mo talaga one by one, no? Number seven. Excuse me. Okay, ceramic, that is material. Material. Material, ceramic. Ceramic, tapos Chinese origin. Beautiful is opinion. Ang rare is opinion din. So, nasa sa kanya na yan. Hindi naman ganito lahat sa sa examination. So, pretty sure, one thing for sure, no, kapag maka-encounter ka ng ganitong question sa let or kahit sa an examination, it will take time talaga to analyze each according to the order or dosas comp. Number 8 na ako. We bought a okay, vintage. That is huh? Wait lang ha. Golden. For sure, number letter C is not because decorative. That is opinion. It's vintage versus golden. Beautiful round. Vintage is age. Golden is color. So I hope I get this right. Number 9. The chef prepared a dish. So delicious. Nakikita nyo sa number 9, you can see the choices. Letter B, nasa unahan yung origin. Wrong na yan. Tapos sa letter D, nasa ikalawa yung origin. Very wrong, 'di ba? So A or C? A or C? So vegetable, is that a material? Let's just say that is a material. Uh, Indian origin, spicy. Where does it belong? I think opinion. Delicious opinion. I go with letter. Okay. Number 10, the archaeologist. Bronze, that is a material, di ba? Bronze. That is a material. Yung Greek is origin. So, dapat kasunod siya ng material. Origin. Bronze, Greek. Ancient is age. Rare is opinion. I think perfect ako dito. Hope so. Okay, so 10 minutes, 'di ba? So each kapag maka-encounter kayo ng ganitong question sa exam, I'm pretty sure each of its question or statement, you have to, it will be approximately 1 minute mo siya ma-answer. Excuse me. Put the adjectives in the correct order. Ayan na. Kailangan ka pa magsulat. Okay. Laban. Ilang minutes na ba yung na-consume natin? 10 minutes. Okay, let's finish this and ace this quiz. Mahirap to. Okay, wooden. That is material. So, makita kayo ng ano, beautiful. That is beautiful. Una talaga yung opinion. Sunod, size. Small. Tapos, anong sunod? Japanese or wooden? Material yung wood eh. Diba? So, unahan natin si origin. Last na yung material. Beautifuls. Hindi ko na yan ah. That is for number 11. Number 12, she wore a... Ano kaya sagot dito? Elegant para siyang beautiful. So, I will... Ano yan? Long is size. Red is color. Wood is material. Number 13, I bought a bag. Okay, ito na. Paano to? Pretty sure last yung leather, no? Kasi material siya eh. Tapos, kasunod ng material is yung origin, which is Italian. So, which left us stylish and new. Saan nabibilang? Ah, wait. Si new isa. Okay. I think yung new is nabibilang sa ano? Sa age. Tapos yung stylish is sa opinion. Okay, number 14. They live in a huge modern white American house. Huge. Okay. Huge size siya, no? Huge. Yung modern kay age. Okay, isulat ko muna dito. Huge size siya, diba? Tapos sunod ni size kasi age. Modern white. Saan nabilang si white? Sino nauna? Si color or si origin? Si color. Last na si origin. Okay, number 15, he gave me a blank. So, 15, he gave me a adorable. That is definitely an opinion. Adorable. Tiny, that is size. Black. Saan na pabilang yung kitten? Is it material? Or purpose? I don't. Okay. I don't know where it belongs. I don't think kitten is included in this one. But anyway, that is for ilang time na? 14 minutes. Okay. Let's finish this before 20 minutes. Okay, error spotting. So you just have to answer it. No. This is for 16. She owns a beautiful red silk Chinese dress. Ah, okay. A, B, C, D, papipiliin natin kung saan dito. Oh my God, iisa na naman. Beautiful. Red. Oh, bakit na una si silk na material yan? So, A is the guac. A museum. Rare. Pwede din. We bought a blue ceramic. Uy, ba't nauna dito si material? Mali yan. He drives a sleek, modern, silver, Italian. Okay. Sleek. Anong sleek? So we are left with B and D. He drives a sleek, modern age, silver color, origin, sports car. Anyway, I go with the first one. 17. Excuse me. My God. I think I have to adjust now so that you can't hear me that loud. I-mute ka na lang. Okay. Bye-bye. See you on the end of the... Okay, so that is for 20 items. So you can pause the video and see the correct answer. So this is part 1, 1 to 10. Please pause and screenshot and correct yourselves. 1 to 10, this is the answer. And then part 2, ito yung answer. And then part 3, ito yung answer. So I hope you got uh, high scores. So thank you for studying with me. I hope you guys learned from that video and see you on the next next topic, which is all about, I think, preposition, but let's just see according to my review book. So bye.